In the first video, we looked at this object, how to create that object, to create a path, but you might find that a bit difficult at times. Now, if you have 32-bit, there's a better way, I think, because then you can use sketch mesh. So let's have a look at that first before we look at yet another method. So let's go for using sketch mesh. And we're just roughly going to make this. Take those, extend, move them up here. I think we just can weld those average. Well, the average of that one, okay. Now, thicken that. So I thicken it inward actually, not outward, because it makes a bit more sense. Now, actually I need to merge this first. Okay, so let's loop this and use cut tool with these settings. So I got this. I'm gonna loop that. Modify point normal move, something like this, and tab. And I guess I can just create a new surface here. Cut. Paste that back in here. So I think I'm pretty close actually to what I want to achieve. So this one is kind of off. So let's just loop that one, move it out, so it's closer to what we're going for. Now it's not too far away. I think I just want to move this one a bit up first. Loop that one, move it a bit. So again, we're looking at this edge right here, this where these meet, and we're just checking really if the curve is the kind of curve that we want. Not quite satisfied with this curve. To be honest, I'm not quite sure why. But anyway, this will take some time to tweak. And I'm not really going to do that. As you can see, it might be better for you to move this one outwards if it goes too far away from the original, well, So I think that's starting to look a bit better. Now this area can always be a bit tricky, really. So I can just do a multi-shift on this one. It will behave slightly better. Loop, move. Yeah, well, all depends on what you want, really. But I think that the curve here looks kind of good now, and I can do some small tweaks, but also it might be better to turn to smooth shade instead when doing this. I think it looks okay. So again, do the same thing that you did for this object to create that the curve, like in the first video. So anyway, I just wanted to show that if you have 32-bit, you might prefer to use this method instead.